66. Mirrors. On several occasions in the past year or two, I've been in very modern buildings which have had a hall of mirrors. As you walk down the hallway, your image is mirrored on both sides from something like 5 to 20 times. About 8 years ago, I was in the banquet hall of a beautiful and very large house built by one of the major film producers in 1926. All the walls and doors were panelled from top to bottom with antique mirrors. All of this, in my estimation, is seeing more of myself than I want to see. Such things are very popular, however, with modern man. We like mirrors, if we are madly in love with ourselves. The Bible, however, requires us to have another focus to our lives. Paul says, quote, "But we all, with open face, beholding as in a glass the glory of the Lord, are changed into the same image from glory to glory, even as by the Spirit of the Lord." 2 Corinthians 3:18. Paul tells us here that we are to be the mirrors, and as mirrors reflect Jesus Christ our Lord. As we mirror him in our life, action and thoughts, we are steadily changed. Instead of reflecting the image of the fallen Adam, Genesis 5:3, we reflect rather the image of the last Adam, Jesus Christ. If, like Adam, we choose to be our own God, then we want everything to mirror us. We want the whole world, and especially our husband or wife and children, to mirror our being and to be our shadow. If we are members of Jesus Christ, then we seek to mirror him. Then our charge is, quote, "from glory to glory," end quote. Are you asking your family and church to be your mirror, or are you a mirror for Jesus Christ?